Man, I love getting new gear. Hey guys, it's Epic, and today I wanted to do a first look video. I just got this package in the mail a couple days ago. I haven't had a chance to open it yet, but this is the H.C.U, the Hammock Containment Unit from Trailheadz. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna open this up, take a quick look at it, and then we're gonna go ahead and go try it out and see what it's like. Okay, so I'm just gonna get out my trusty penknife here and open up this package, see what we got going on. Okay, so this is made out of Dyneema, and what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to hold your entire hammock system. It just goes on one end of the hammock, and everything including your insulation should go in this bag. So you set up your hammock, put your underquilt on, put your top quilt inside of the hammock, and this bag should slide over the whole thing and compress it down so it fits in one nice neat little pod inside of your backpack. And so we're just gonna take a look at this thing. Got packaging blowing away. Alrighty, and so this looks like it might be like Cloud 71 or something like that. That's not regular mesh, but it's completely see-through. So yeah, it reminds me of a tarp sleeve or a snake skin. So yeah, the whole hammock goes inside of this thing. I think we're gonna go set it up and check it out. All right guys, well here's my hammock setup. This is just a quick and dirty pitch. You know, we're not gonna do a bunch of adjusting or anything. I just wanted to get it up, get the insulation on it and in it so we can actually try this thing out and see how it works. So supposedly, this entire hammock system with the quilts and all should fit in this. It should compress down really well, and it's supposed to be able to fit in the backpack really well. So let's give it a try. Okay guys, well I have this on one end of my hammock, and it doesn't come with instructions, but it seems pretty self-explanatory. I think the snap is supposed to go through here, but I don't know for sure. I think that just keeps it from sliding. I don't know, I'll have to check on that. Anyway, it's on, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slide the sleeve down. It should go over the entire hammock. As you can see, I've got my 20-degree quilt on the inside, and then I have a 20-degree underquilt. And I chose those. I've been using synthetic lately, but I think most people are still using down, and 20 degrees is I think what most people carry, especially for 3-season. So I just wanted to get as much of a realistic test as I could. If you have tie-outs, your tie-outs of course are gonna have to come out on both sides of your hammock before you can pull this sleeve down. So I'm just gonna pull the tie-outs out and lay them kind of inside. See how well this works. All right. So oh man. Ooh, that slides on like butter. Ooh, look at that, guys. That's fantastic. All right. So now we should be able to just unhook it from one end. Take out my marlin spike hitch if I can. And we should be able to fit it all in this bag. Looks like these have to be drawn out all the way. So it's weighty, so I can definitely see that having a learning curve. Trying to get it completely and totally in the bag. Seems to be a lot of air trapped in there as well. This is my first time doing this, so it's gonna take some practice to get it completely and totally inside the bag. Get the strings down in there. All right, so we have it in the bag. And just get the compression cap over the top. Oh, and there we go, there's our bundle. Now let's see how it fits in the backpack. Okay guys, so I've actually brought out my fully packed backpack so I can do a realistic test here. Normally I'd be shoving both of my quilts down to the bottom without a stuff sack. That's how I normally do it. I really like the idea of being able to just quick deploy my entire shelter. So we're gonna see if this actually fits in the backpack well. All right, so it fits straight up and down just fine. If I turn it sideways, it seems to fit inside of the pack really well. Clothes bag, food bag, oh yeah, and there's gonna be a lot of room. Yeah, there's still lots of room in that pack. That works out really well. Yeah, that feels pretty nice. There's no unnecessary bulges or anything. It's not causing me problems. It's not poking me in any place it's not supposed to be. There was a bit of a learning curve stuffing it into the bag. I think that's just gonna take some practice, but all in all, I think this is gonna be good. I will take it out on trail, crush some miles with it, and get back to you guys with a more complete review on it. Well guys, that's all I have for you today. Leave a comment down in the comments section and let me know if you actually think this is a worthwhile piece of gear or if it's just a gimmick. If you like what we do, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know when we make future content. You can also check us out on Instagram, support us on Patreon, and our new website's coming out very soon. Now get off your butts and go play outside.